Here is the latest U.S. immigration update from USCIS concerning green card holders renewing their green cards. As of September 10th, 2024, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, they have extended the validity of green cards from 24 months to 36 months for lawful permanent residents or green card holders who file Form I-90 to replace their expiring or expired green cards. This update aims to help applicants who are experiencing longer processing times. So what does this mean for you? If you properly file Form I-90, you will receive a 36-month extension. That is a 3-year extension of your green card's validity. The Form I-90 receipt notices had previously provided a 2-year or 24-month extension of the validity of an expired green card. USCIS has updated the language on Form I-90 receipt notices that they are going to be issuing to extend the validity to a period of 3 years from the expiration on the face of the current green card for people who have I-90 renewal applications. September 10th, USCIS began printing amended receipt notices for people with a pending Form I-90 to reflect that green cards expired will be valid for 3 years and no more 2 years from the date of expiration on their green card. This means that you can present the receipt notice with your expired green card as proof of continued status and employment authorization. If you have lost your green card and you need evidence of your status, you can request an appointment at a USCIS field office near you and potentially receive an added stamp. That's the Alien Documentation Identification and Telecommunication stamp after you have filed the Form I-90. This is a stamp that is placed in your passport. It's usually valid for 1 year, known as a Form I-551, and it means that you are a green card holder and you can use that to work and to travel. And so this entire update simply means in USCIS language that there are going to be longer processing times. So brace yourselves. All the best, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.